Hi, I'm Sue Walker, and I'm going to show you easy soup recipes with cheese. The ingredients are 1/2 cup of butter, 1 cup of diced celery, 2 cups shredded cheddar cheese, 1/2 cup of chopped onion, 6 cups of cubed potatoes, 1/2 cup of flour, 1/2 cup of cooked bacon bits, 3 cups of chicken broth, and 4 cups of cream. The first thing you do is take your butter, your diced celery, and your chopped onion. Place it in a pan and saute until the vegetables are tender. Once the vegetables are tender, pour them into your soup pot. Add your cubed potatoes to the vegetables, and then you want to take 1/2 cup of flour and pour it into your potatoes and mix it all together. Then add your bacon bits and your 3 cups of chicken broth. Bring this to a boil, and once it's boiling, then turn it down to simmer and simmer until the potatoes are tender. Once your potatoes are tender, then add your cream. Stir it in, and now you add your cheese and heat through, and you're ready to eat your soup. What makes this recipe easy is that I use Southern style hash brown potato cubes, and that is an easy soup recipe with cheese.